Good morning, dear student. Yesterday we had studied about the circular flow of income, and we have studied two types of circular flow of income. One is called the real flow, and another one is called the money flow. So today we will study about the circular flow of income in two sector model. Actually, circular flow of income, there are four agents in our economy, but we have to study only two sector model. It means between household and firms. In this diagram, as you see that I have drawn both money flow and real flow. See, household, what he is doing, household is providing factor services. See this arrow, household is providing factor services to firms. Factor services means services of land, labor, capital, entrepreneur, and firm is providing what? See this arrow, it is here. Firm is providing goods and services to household. This inner circle is called the real flow. Then whatever the factor services provided by the household to the firms, in place of that factor services, firms, they are giving factor payment to the household. What is factor payment? Wages, rent, interest and profit. With the help of that payment, what household will do? He will expense his expenditure on goods and services. And see this outer arrow. This outer one circle is called the money flow and the inner circle is called the real flow. And we have to study only these two sector model in our CBSE syllabus. Only two sector model is there between household and firms. And I have explained this diagram here. See, household supplies factor services to firm. What factor services? Services of a labor, land, capital, entrepreneurship. And firms produce goods and sell entire product to household. We are assuming that there are only two agents, household and firms, in our economy. Then household receive factor income from the firms and spend entire amount on goods and services produced by the firm. And we are assuming that there are no saving in the economy. So this is two sector model circular flow of income between household and firms. Next, our topic is this. We have to study about this injection and leakages. This injection and leakages, it is very important regarding 1 mark question. It usually comes in board examination. This, see, in injection means it increases the income in our economy. जब भी हमको कभी इंजेक्शन लगता है, जब हम बीमार होते हैं, थोड़ी देर बाद सही हो जाते हैं, तो इकोनॉमी भी अगर बीमार होती है तो इंजेक्शन लगता है. इंजेक्शन किसका लगेगा उसको? It will increase income. This is consumption. I means investment and G means government expenditure. Through the government expenditure, through investment, through consumption, it will boost entire circular flow of income. It will increase. And leakages mean it will reduce what? Circular flow of income in our economy. S means saving. T means taxes. Whatever the taxes we are paying to the government, our real income will reduce. And M means import. इकोनॉमिक्स में import को M से लिखा जाता है और export को हम जो है वो X से डिनोट करते हैं. तो ये आपका इंजेक्शन और लीकेजेस का कॉन्सेप्ट है जो शॉर्ट में आता है 1 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन में. अगर ये डेफिनेशन पूछता है तो सिंपली आपको कह देना है इंजेक्शन एक ऐसी चीज है, ये इसको हिंदी में हम लोग भरण कहते हैं और लीकेजेस को क्षरण कहते हैं. तो ये अर्थव्यवस्था में आय को बढ़ाता है जो भरण है, और क्षरण क्या करता है कि अर्थव्यवस्था में आय को कम करता है. उसका उदाहरण पूछता है तो आपको ये 3 उदाहरण क्षरण के दे देना. ये आपका बचत है, ये आपका कर है, ये आपका आयात है, और आपका ये भरण के, ये आपका उपभोग है, निवेश है और सरकारी व्यय है. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. नेक्स्ट टुमारो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द स्टॉक एंड फ्लो, नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट. थैंक यू एंड स्टे सेफ. टेक केयर अबाउट योरसेल्फ. थैंक यू.